Welcome to another installation and setup guide by Grid Connect. Today we'll be installing the Orion Smart Entrance Lock. Experience complete control of your home before you've even stepped through the door. As well as the built-in fingerprint scanner, your new lock comes complete with countless unlock options, all controlled via the Grid Connect app. And not to worry, as always, installation is a breeze. Identify whether your door is left or right hinged when viewed from the outside. Ours is right hinged, but yours may be different. If you have a left hinged door, take the front panel and pull the handle down to reveal a screw on the back, and then remove it. Rotate the handle up and to the opposite side, and then replace the screw. Repeat this step for the back panel. If you have a right hinged door, you may skip this step. Measure the thickness of your door, which should be between 35 and 55 millimeters thick. Choose the correct installation kit based on the thickness of your door. Use A for 35 to 45 millimeters and B for 45 to 55 millimeters. Locate the latch. If your door has a backset of 70 millimeters, push the spindle slot outwards to the label marked 70 millimeters. If your door has a 60 millimeter backset, leave the bolt retracted. Secure the latch with the provided A1 or B1 screws. Make sure the beveled edge of the latch tongue faces the direction of a closing door. Fit the A2 or B2 spindle into the front panel. Expand the clip around the spindle as you do and ensure it clicks firmly into place. The front panel should come with the rubber seal attached. If it's not, align the seal with the front panel and press firmly around the edges. Align the spindle, cable and standoffs with the hole in your door and latch. Push the front panel in until it is flush with the door and hold it there while we move to the next step. Install the mounting plate on the inside of your door, ensuring the spindle passes through the round hole and the cable through the rectangular hole. Use the provided A3 or B3 screws to secure the mounting plate to the front panel. Remove the battery cover from the back panel. Then, connect the wire from the front panel to the connector on the inside of the back panel. Make sure to press firmly and ensure the cable is properly connected. Fit the back panel against the mounting plate, feeding the excess cable inside the door. Screw the back panel using the two provided A4 or B4 screws. Test that the indoor handle will retract the latch. Install 4 AA batteries and replace the back cover. You will need to pair and connect the hub in order to access the lock features over Wi-Fi. If you only require a local Bluetooth connection, you can skip this step. Power the hub by plugging it into a wall socket. The light under the power button should begin flashing, indicating that the hub is ready to pair. If it doesn't, press and hold the button for 5 seconds to begin pairing. In the Grid Connect app, select the plus icon at the bottom right-hand side of the screen. If the hub does not automatically appear, choose Auto Scan to search for it. Follow the prompts and enter your Wi-Fi details. Once the hub is set up, select Hub at the bottom right of the screen and press the plus icon. Wake the device with the back of your hand to begin pairing. Select New Device, then follow the prompts to complete setup. Your new lock is now ready to use. To add new users, select Users at the bottom of the screen. Press the plus icon and select what kind of user you would like to add. Enter a name. You can then allocate which features of the lock this user will have access to, and even set a start and end date for their access. All you need to do is follow the on-screen prompts, you'll be good to go. You can also set a temporary access code to quickly let guests in without setting up a new account.